telling you guys 3 ways I've made money online in Nigeria, and quickly listen to this video. If you believe you cannot make money online in Nigeria, I'm not here to argue with you, but if you believe you can make money online, I've done it and I'm still doing it. I'm going to teach you guys 3 ways you can make money online. Number one, the first money I made it on Opera News Hub. I wrote for Opera News Hub, and a lot of people make money from Opera News Hub, writing stories and gist, and they get paid at the end of the month. Some people make up to 100,000, 50,000, 20,000, depending on how viral your article goes. Number two, it is affiliate marketing. So I created a Clickbank account from Nigeria, and I started promoting affiliate products, and I made my first sale on Clickbank some time ago. I could remember, I'll never forget. It was like $200. And the third way I make money online in Nigeria from Nigeria is I trade cryptocurrencies. If you want to learn about cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online, make sure you smash the subscribe button, because I'll be giving you guys quality content here. And watch out on my crypto series. Bye for now. I still remain the Alpha Crypto Wolf.